Hi, I'm Scott Noonan, the CEO of Audio Advice. If you're watching this video, chances are you've run into issues with your home internet or you're planning a new home and want to get it right from the beginning. Either way, you've probably realized just how important a strong home network has become. For years, we've helped homeowners build high-performance networks that go far beyond the basic equipment your internet provider installs. And as more people work remotely, stream 4K and HDR content, and run smart homes with dozens of connected devices, the need for better networking has exploded. Now let's start with what most people get by default. When your internet service gets installed, companies like Spectrum, Comcast, and AT&T typically provide you with a single entry-level device. This all-in-one box handles 4 jobs at once. It's your modem, your router, your network switch, and your wireless access point. Now, while this is convenient and cheap for the service provider, it's not designed for high performance. These boxes are great at getting you online quickly, but they're not great at keeping everything running smoothly, especially in large homes or homes with a lot of connected devices. For example, that modem might give you blazing fast speeds when the technician plugs in directly, but things change once you start using multiple devices around your home. Your Zoom calls start to freeze, your Netflix stream drops resolution. Suddenly, that fast internet doesn't feel so fast at all. That's because the router, switch, and wireless components inside that all-in-one box are basic. They simply can't handle lots of traffic at once, especially not in real-world conditions where devices are scattered across rooms, floors, and walls. Let me give you a real-world example. At my house, I have a gigabit connection from Google Fiber. When the installer first set it up, he showed me a perfect 1 gigabit speed plugged directly next to the box. But as soon as I connected devices to all the Ethernet ports in the back of that box and all my other wireless devices, speeds dropped. It couldn't deliver a full gigabit to each port or even any of the wireless devices. Why? Because all routers aren't created equal. Some have better firewalls, faster processors, and more reliable communication between devices. When you overload a basic router, performance quickly degrades. And wireless performance is no different. A typical wireless access point can only talk to one device at a time, even though it switches between them very quickly. So while it may seem like everything is connected at once, your devices are actually taking turns, sometimes hundreds or thousands of times per second. But the more devices you have and the farther away they are from that access point, the more things start to really slow down. So what's the solution? In small homes or apartments, that all-in-one box might be good enough. But in larger homes or homes with high demands, there's a much better way. At Audio Advice, we install true enterprise-grade networks, the same kind of systems you'd find in office buildings or smart luxury homes. Here's how they work. First, we disable the router and wireless features on your provider's box and install a dedicated high-speed router. That router connects to a professional-grade switch and distributes a clean signal to multiple wireless access points throughout your home. Each of those access points is hardwired. That's the key. Unlike mass market wireless mesh systems that bounce signals from device to device, a wired system eliminates signal degradation. Each access point gets a direct connection to the core network, providing full-speed internet without slowdowns, no matter how far you are from the main router. This setup does a few important things. It increases reliability, it improves speed, and it ensures that every device in your home, from phones, TVs, computers, smart speakers, thermostats, and security systems, have consistent, stable connectivity. Now, you may have seen do-it-yourself mesh kits online or at big box stores. These are consumer-grade systems with wireless extenders that try to fill in dead zones. And while they're better than a single all-in-one box, they still rely on wireless backhaul. That means they pass data from one device to the next, which cuts your speed in half every hop. By comparison, a wired access point gives you full speed at every location. It costs more to install, but the experience is night and day. Most people don't realize how many devices are active in their home at any given time. Phones, tablets, streaming devices, smart TVs, game consoles, appliances are often all connected 24/7, even when you're not using them. The only way to keep everything running smoothly is to spread that traffic across a well-designed, properly wired network. We also help homeowners think ahead. If you're building or renovating, now is the time to plan for structured cabling and a dedicated network location. Running the right wiring like Cat 6 or better cable or even fiber to strategic spots in your home, including ceiling locations for access points and key entertainment zones, makes everything more reliable and expandable. A little planning now can save you a lot of frustration down the road. In addition to better performance, a great network also means better control. Pair it all with a good battery backup system and you'll be protected against power outages as well. And finally, great networks should be monitored. Our enterprise-grade systems are smart enough to detect outages and reboot themselves in the proper order if something goes wrong. We also offer a mobile app to manage your network remotely. Plus, we offer 24/7 support from our in-house team. If your internet ever drops or something feels off, we can often detect and fix it before you even know there was an issue. These systems are so reliable that we rarely get service calls. Once you experience the speed and stability of a professional network, you won't want to go back. There's a lot more we could dive into, but the key takeaway is simple. You get what you pay for in networking. A little more investment up front can save you years of headaches. If you're building or upgrading your home and you want to explore your options for networking, home automation, lighting, or audio, head to audioadvice.com. We have buyer's guides, walkthroughs, expert advice to help you every step of the way. If you're building a new home and interested in high-performance home networking, check out our entire smart home design series of videos at audioadvice.com. If you live near one of our world-class showrooms, come by and you can experience all of this in action. If we don't have an Audio Advice near you now, look for a company that has been around for many years and regularly installs smart home networks in luxury homes. If you have any questions, feel free to come see us or give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.